It's been super hot out, so, not everyone's wearing a jacket, but for riding, it's probably pretty important. Walk me through this guy right here.
So this one is perforated leather.
Okay.
You're going to be able to breathe through it. You're going to feel a little air. It's not going to be nearly as hot. I mean, it's leather. It's going to get warm, but I mean, it's perforated everywhere, so it's not going to be terrible. Also, it's cool core. So what that is they put something on the leather to help reflect the heat instead of absorb it into the jacket. So like, even like this right here, this textile.
Okay.
Even that one's going to absorb quite a bit of heat just because, there's nothing, it's black. It sinks right in.
Sure.
But this one though will help reflect it off of you. Also comes with a windproof liner. So if it gets too cold, so like in the wintertime, you don't have to go out and buy another jacket. Just throw on the windproof liner, and if it's windproof, it's going to be a little bit waterproof. If wind can't get in, water can't get in, so it'll keep you a lot warmer. So between those two, I mean, throw in a hoodie too, you should be just fine for winter as well as summer. And if anything happens, there are body armor pockets inside of it, back, shoulders, elbows, so you'll be covered.
So it keeps you super safe.
Yeah,
Awesome.
for the most part. But yeah, this I think would be a really good one for you, just for the kind of riding you said you wanted to do, just about all season, commuting, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and especially on the highway and stuff, you definitely gonna want something. Also, because of that, you might be stuck at nighttime. It's got some reflective on it too, so they'll really see you. Worst case, you can always add more. They make reflective tape, all that good stuff, but it does already have some on it. So,
Nice.
especially on the backside, it's really important. So, yeah,
All right,
I think this
cool.
would be a good fit for you.
Nice.